all of it when they hold up the card. He made it. Yes.
Gives him an 8. Our second judge give him an 8. Our third judge give him an 8.
They get 3 tries, correct?
No, they did a dunk. 3 chances to make it.
Oh, okay.
We get decimals? Like a half?
Yeah, you can. Well, yeah, you can.
Our first judge give Roy a 9. Our second judge give him a 9. Our third judge 8.5.
Lowest score.
That one first.
And we go to the judges. First score, 9.5. Second score, 10. Third score, 10. For a score of 29.5. And we go to the judges. Our first judge give him a 9. Our second judge give him a 6. Our third judge give him an 8.5. The jab. He dunked it. And it goes to the judges. First score, 9.5. Second score, 9.5. Third score, 9. For a score of 28.
What is he doing?
And it goes to the judges. Our first judge give him a 10. Our second judge give him a 10. Third judge give him a 10. That's a perfect score of 30. Go ahead.
I just wanted to make it dunk.
Oh, and it goes to the judge. First judge give him a 10. Second judge give him a 10. Third judge, he give him a 10 for a perfect score of 30.
Okay.
And it goes to the judges. First judge, give him a 10. Our second judge, give him a 10. Our third judge, give him a 10. Perfect score. And our winner for the dunk, Kyrie